Hola clase. Today we're going to go over los pronombres or pronouns. So why are we going over pronouns, you guys? Pronouns are really important because when we start going into verb conjugation, you're going to need to know the difference between each pronoun, what each one means in Spanish, and how they're super important when we start using them with our conjugations. So let's go ahead and get started. Vamos a comenzar. So what is a pronoun? Pronouns are words that they use in order to replace people, animals, and things without naming them. Okay, so these are, in English we have I, in Spanish we have two U's. So I want you to take note. We have you informal. This you informal you are going to use with your friends. Family members. Some countries, older people, they are used with the formal you. I guess it just depends on the region and your family. But you're using this you with people that you're usually the same age with, and they're your friends, or you know them very well, and you feel comfortable with them. So this is you. Okay? When we have our same for he, she, and our you formal. So the are you formal is used with people that we don't know that well, people that we're showing respect to, people that are older, and yeah, just people we don't know that well. So you're gonna make sure you differentiate between this you, which is informal. And remember, these are like your friends, people you know, and then the you formal, people that are older than you, people who you want to show respect to, and people that you don't know. Okay, so we're gonna keep going here. Our next slide is with we. There are two in Spanish. We have nosotros y nosotras. The nosotros is for males, or a mixed group of females and males, or even if it's like a group of women and one male, it's still going to be nosotros. Nosotras is just females. Vosotros y vosotras. This is another one. Now, you're not going to see vosotros y vosotras used in all Spanish-speaking countries. You're going to mostly see vosotros y vosotras used in Spain. There are forms of vosotros used in some parts of Central America and the cone in Argentina, Uruguay, parts of Colombia too. They'll use vos. So there are also two forms of that. But anyways, getting back to the pronoun of vosotros, it is two forms for you all masculine and you all feminine. Okay, and the same stands for the males up here. If it's a mixed group, all men, large group of women and one male, still vosotros. Only females, vosotras. Now we have ellos y ellas. So we have they masculine, they feminine. Same thing with the, male and the females. And then we have ustedes. Okay? And I think sometimes, depending on which country you are in, that's Spanish speaking, they'll use the vosotros instead of ustedes. So really, it just depends on, that's the beauty of Spanish language. Just going to many different countries use even the grammar a little different, which is wonderful. I love the diversity in Spanish. Anyways, let's continue. So let's go over all of these because I don't think I went and reviewed each verb and how you pronounce it. So let's start. We have yo. It's like when you say yo, hey. You got yo for I. Tú. Take note of the accent. You informal. Él, another accent. He, ella, she, usted, you formal. Nosotros, we masculine. Nosotras, we feminine. Vosotros, you all masculine. Vosotras, you all feminine. ellos de masculine, ellos. Then we go to ellas de feminine, ustedes, you all. Okay? So make sure you are going over these. Once you come off of this page, you're going to go to the next page. And you're going to make sure that you are reviewing all of these. This will be fixed. And that is all. Make sure you're going to all your vocabulary and doing all of the exercises in the book. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.